Good morning. So we're down at near London XL, and we're just about to go on the Sunborn Hotel Yacht for afternoon tea. So come with us, and we'll let you know how much and that we paid at the end, and what the experience is like. So there is the yacht. You can stay here overnight as well. You can book the rooms, so I'll do that at one point. So stay with us.
Hi, can you press the up arrow, then press number 3?
Yeah, done it.
Put the arrows again.
In the lift and press number 3.
The doors closing.
Yeah.
Going up. Reception, sun down bar, and bedrooms. Doors opening.
Okay. So this is the going up the stairs. So this is the well, it's called the Land's End restaurant, and this is all what's included. And then we get one unlimited hot beverages, which is there, and then you can choose what teas you want, and you get a signature cocktail. So you can have the Sunborn special. Might have that. It's lovely. Decor around here is lovely. So, you impressed? See, and there, and out there, just in the background, you can see the cable cars going straight over to the O2, and the O2 is just over there in the background. Sunborn special and a Bellini. Cheers, Abby. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday, Abby.
Ooh, sharp. We got on here, I think they're beef and horseradish.
That's right.
Salmon and cream cheese. Ham and mustard. Little quiches.
Which is caramelised onion.
Some Rodders. Clotted cream and some scones. Oh, red velvet cake and some other little bits. So let's get in. Yeah, they didn't skimp on it either, really. It's different.
Yeah. Lovely though, isn't it?
That's really nice.
My lemon ginger's lovely.
That's lovely. That's very strong.
Yeah, that is. I'm glad I didn't have none more. Can you put the French up? No, the food is absolutely beautiful. Fresh.
We are getting through this slowly,
It's beating us.
but we're starting to hit the wall now. But bear with us, and we will.
Absolutely beautiful. Very, very filling.
It is.
Eat your scones because the sun's drying them out.
Now, when you're having a scone, do you put the jam or the cream on first?
Cream first.
I'd say jam first, because it's easier to spread, and then just the dollop of cream.
The cream's hard to spread.
Yeah, but you just...
Good luck. Let's film it.
We're going to go for jam. Jam first.
What's that flavour? Oh, blackcurrant. Sorry, I used the jam as though it was all right.
Strawberry jam.
I thought it was 2 pots of strawberry, sorry.
It's fine. Eat well. Love life. Believe me, we're eating well.
We're loving life. Good luck squeezing that. Maybe because I had so much jam.
Oh well, may as well have it.
You don't have a lot.
Oh no, I'm going back.
Oh, that was a beautiful afternoon too. That's more like it.
Yeah. Smack it on. A little bit more for the other one. We'll leave that door open. I'm melting in here. The sun is beating through. That's what it's called, the Sunborn Hotel.
You picked the same spot to sit in. You want to jump from.
Someone told me to wrap up today because it is only 4 degrees. Right, here goes. See? Beautiful.
When do you have hot tea?
My cheeks must be so red. See, oh, you can come out on the deck. It's absolutely beautiful out here today. You wouldn't think it was like -4 this morning. So you've got the Ibis Hotel over there, and you can see the cable cars in the distance, which we're going to walk down there in a minute and go there. So come here a minute, Abby. It's our review of the afternoon tea.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, what would you give it?
Definitely a 10 out of 10. The atmosphere was lovely. The food was fresh.
Was so on point.
Yeah, so fresh.
Yeah,
You couldn't
really nice.
fault it at all, apart from the sunburn in your face.
Well, yeah, I was the only one in that restaurant, and I had the sun belting on my face. I think I got such a sunstroke.
Yeah.
But yeah, absolutely beautiful. If you get a chance to book this, and yeah, and I think it's £40 per person to come here, and it is worth every single penny. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful scenery, and it's just absolutely pleasant atmosphere. You can't unfortunately walk round the yacht unless you're staying here, which I will do that. I will book a room one night and we'll stay here, and that's included breakfast, so then we can review that as well. But this Sunborn Hotel in London, Docklands, absolutely amazing. Well worth a visit. If you are enjoying our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So this is the reception area, and there are the stairs up to the afternoon tea, just over there. Absolutely beautiful. Can't recommend this place enough. Yeah, the sandwiches, they didn't scrimp on the fillings at all. Absolutely amazing. So you have beef and horseradish, ham and mustard, salmon and cream cheese, little caramelised onion quiches, and then you went on to the sweet treats. which were red velvet cake, cherry almond, like cherry bakewell slices, some passion fruit cake, chocolate indulgence cake, which was really, really rich, and then some scones, fruit scones with Rodder's clotted cream and blackcurrant jam and strawberry jam. So absolutely well worth the money. So check it out. So we're just coming out, going down in this plush lift.
Spotlessly clean.
Doors opening.
Doors opening. Yeah. And that was the Sunborn Hotel Yacht. And it is a huge yacht, because there's all the rooms. Yeah. So it depends whether you can choose whether you want dockside or the Thames side. I'd go for the Thames. Have the sun shining in my room. Right. So we're going to go down now onto the cable cars. And Abby's going to hold my hand.
Start swinging up here.
It don't swing. Sea legs?
Yeah, but that's hair legs. I don't know if I've got them either. I ain't got sea legs.
You've just been on a yacht.
It didn't move, thank God. If it moved, I'd have that for a while.
It's lovely. That's a bit of us though, isn't it, Abby? It's like, yeah, I could. When you say to people like, oh, yeah, I went on a yacht.
But I thought the old ambience of it was lovely.
It was. I am.
But I like the atmosphere. I weren't rushed. It was relaxed.
In fact, we came out there 10 minutes early because it was so hot.
But there was no rush, was there?
No.
Like we had time to sit, to chat before the food came.
And they were so...
Boom, 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 boom,
No,
boom,
and
was it?
where we couldn't eat it all, I have a little doggy bag
For Raymond.
for Ray Ray.
Oh, it's Raymond.
Oh yeah, we come off a rot. A rot? I can't even speak. I had one cocktail. Oh my gosh. Never mind. Yes, a doggy bag for Raymond.
Raymondo.
When we get over the other side of the river, back into South London, it'll be Abby. Right, so come on the cable cars with us. I'll have to film you because I can't look at it until I get on the ground. Right, so I just paid to get on the... Oh. I really hate heights, and you lot know that as well. So why I'm going on this, I don't know, especially after the amount I've eaten. I weigh probably about 4 people now. Come on. Yeah. Right, you sit one side. No, don't sit the same side. Even it out. Will you sit that side? I'll sit that side. Just sit still. Oh.
Where does the door shut? How'd you shut the door?
It's automatic. Oh, I'm not. My heart is going mad. My heart is going mad. There's loads of people in that one.
Oh mate, door closing. My last closing. So that as soon as you roll out. Oh no.
My heart is pounding. My heart is pounding. Abby, I really hate heights. Why have you...
So do I. I don't know if I've done the right.
Don't stop moving.
I'm holding on.
Oh,
Oh shit, it's a big drop. Oh, Kathy, I don't ever like it. Oh, should we have a seatbelt on? I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it.
Abby, shut up, please. Abby, I don't like it. Why? I didn't like you when I...
Oh, Jesus. I can go up higher.
Oh, Abby, shut up. You're not helping.
That's like being in an aeroplane. Just think it's like being in an aeroplane. I think I would have rather gone the DLR.
I would have rather walked.
Open your eyes now. Open your eyes.
No, because it's gone too high. I watched the video
We've
footage.
got to go up higher, yeah.
Oh, no, we're not there yet.
Yeah. I would get over the road. Kathy, just look now.
No, I can't. Abby, I don't like heights.
Honestly, I didn't like it. I'm not keen, but it's alright. Don't put your camera on me. Don't like it. Just don't look down. Look at the view behind you, but don't look down.
I can't do this.
Why did you wanted to come on here?
I wanted to be brave for you.
Yeah, but I didn't want to come on here. I only come on here because I thought you wanted to come on here. Oh wow, look at that though, Kath. Look, you see the boat?
No. I'll video it.
Oh my god.
Abby.
Oh, it goes all funny. I'm tolerating it, but I wouldn't say I enjoy it. I don't know if I'd do it again.
What's your heart rate supposed to be, like, resting? Because I'm only sitting down and I don't think I've got resting heart rate.
No, I haven't. Mine's over 111.
Oh, why am I now? Oh, why am I laughing? Are we going down yet?
No, we're going higher.
Oh, don't you. Oh.
It's marvellous, really, though. You've got to look. Just open your eyes. Just don't look down. As long as you look across, you're all right.
Fuck me, where I? Oh.
Just look around you, though, but don't look down. Look straight ahead.
No, I can't, Abby, because it makes me feel sick.
What?
I can taste red velvet, cherry bakewell, beef and horseradish, salmon, all at once. It's not...
Like, the view's amazing, Kath. It is absolutely amazing.
Oh, I feel sick.
I think we're going to go down now, or we're just going to go along.
Oh, what's that?
It's where you're going through, like, the crossover bit.
Oh, Abby. People that use this to commute every day. Sorry, if I worked at the Excel Centre,
Why are we not moving though?
What? What do you mean? We're not moving.
We're sitting here. Look, we're not moving.
We are. Please tell us.
It must be.
My God. I can't. I'm holding on so tight. Not that that'll do anything, but holding on
We go
because.
straight in the Thames. We're right over the river.
Oh, Jesus. Make content, they said. Fuck the content.
What do you reckon? Now we're coming down now. Open your eyes now.
We're not, we're still up there.
Yeah, but we're lower than what we were. We was higher than this. Oh look, there's a plane. We're near the plane.
The City Airport apparently is over there.
Oh, I can't see the plane. I can't see the airport. You know, you won't let me stand up.
Please let us just go down now, yeah? Like,
Yeah, we are. We're going down.
we're starting to go down. I'm never coming on this again. I don't care how much content or anything. I just...
View out the side bit, Kath.
I can't move my head. My head's locked.
Well, move the camera. It's very clear. You couldn't have picked a better day to go on it, to be honest. We're going to go fast in a minute because we're going to be going down.
There's a Sunborn Hotel over there.
Yeah. If you fell in this though, you wouldn't have a chance. You'd be dead.
That's reassuring. Thanks, Abby.
I'm just saying no. It'd be like one of them horror movies.
Oh, Mum.
You just sink to the bottom of the Thames.
But can we have happy thoughts? Happy thoughts. I don't like it. Please let me off.
I was going to try and do a video, but I can't. She
Please.
can't move.
Oh,
Kathy.
yeah. Well, I don't like that. What's that bit?
Must be where the brakes are going on. You look ill.
I could taste everything.
The redness has just gone. Why is it gone? I'd be more scared than you.
Everything. I don't think people, because I'm such a joker, people don't realise my fear of heights.
Right.
Where do you think? Where are you going? Look at that statue. That's mad, that statue.
It was quicker than the DLR though, weren't it, Kath?
I don't know, it felt like a lifetime. Right, we're here now.
I didn't like it at first, but then I was
So,
fine.
that's the cable
How
car.
did we get off? Otherwise we'd be